Okay, final step in recipe cards. How am I going to grade these? There's a few things I want to see all at the same time. I'll grade everything at once. So first, I'll need to see your paraphrase, and remember that's in Google Docs. The original list of ingredients is here on the left. Your paraphrase is on the right. All I did was change the numbers into letters and change the order. And then same thing with the steps. I paraphrased and shortened. I condensed wherever I could, right? We need less than 7 and less than 7. And the stuff that you paraphrase, which is on the right, should be the text that is in your recipe card. Then I want to see the template as it was before you edited it, because that's where we make our either greatest work or some of our biggest mistakes. So if you're at the home page for Adobe Express, go to your stuff and then go to your favorites and then show me the template that you worked on before you did the editing. So remember, we need to get our own picture, we need to find our own text and type it ourselves. And that's why I had you favorite it, so you could pull it up. Once I've checked that, I'll have you take me to your projects, I'll have us go back to your stuff, and then show me the actual project where I'll see what you changed it into. And remember, we want to keep it really simple. I've got a pic, I've got the name of the dish, the ingredients, and the instructions. And the big thing that I found, if I just click and try to change things in the template, it's hard to find stuff. Don't forget, click your layers button, and if I click on French toast, I can edit the main title. If I click on this, what is it? It's just like a background, right? If I click on this one, it's just going to be the picture itself. So you can go up and down, but as you edit each piece, if you can't find it or you can't get to it, click in the layers box, and as you click on each part, you can get to it and you can change it. So if you're clicking in the box and it's not working, click here, then go up and down until you find the layer you want. Click on that and you can resize your picture, or click on this and you can redo your text. That's the easiest way to get around the program, because it can be a little clunky. As I grade this last assignment, first is how you're using the template. You want to make sure that the template isn't radically changed. That's why I had you favorite it, so we can look at it in comparison to what you've changed it into. The photo and the text have been completely replaced with your own information, but major objects have been left in place except to make things easier to read or easier to understand. So you don't want to move a bunch of stuff around. If there's extra things, you can delete them. We see the picture that you found that fits the original template, plus the ingredients and the instructions that you made with not much else. So 5 is great, 4 is good, 3 is average, 2 is poor, and 1 is ouch. Next, I'm going to look at your paraphrase. So your Google Doc is split down the middle, the original recipe is on the left, and your paraphrase is on the right. And the order of your ingredients can be changed, but the order of your instructions are the same. So the same 5-point scale on the quality of your paraphrase. And then finally, we'll look at the design. So, does your design follow the principles of the examples that we looked at? So, right side text justified against the right edge with a little space, left side text justified against the left edge with a little space, and then few things are centered in their text boxes. We don't want to center much. Fonts and font sizes are the same across your design. Things are balanced and symmetrical. Just means it's the same on the left and the right. And your photos are large and placed well. And if there's empty space, it's at the bottom of your design where you can crop it. So when I grade your stuff, I'll want to see your original template, which you favorited. Then I'll also be checking your paraphrase to make sure that's good. Then I'll look at your finished design. So it's 3 in 1, but that's how we get it done. Thanks. Bye-bye.